So friend, this is my online Nettech channel. In this my video completely I will show you how to use Linux operating system, and I'm already created a lot of video very important for understand about my two videos very important for the previous video very important. Okay, because how to use before you using Linux operating system, before you start Linux course. So for understand first my video, and second video what is a Unix and what is a Linux operating system. So this is a very important for you, and without these two video don't start my third video. Okay, this video not start because this is a very important for other you cannot understand. Okay, and you may be confused. So you may be confused, so this reason first I must suggest you watch my previous video. Okay, previous two video. Okay, so, let's start and understand what is the difference between Microsoft versus Linux. Okay, so let's start this video. Hello friend, this is my online Nettech channel. In this module you can see here by this online Nettech channel, this type right and search here, and you can visit here. This is my channel logo and name. So you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, PayPal, how to use PayPal, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses, and I'm daily update this video for you and very free of cost, and basically you can very different type of syllabus you can control panel using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlists available in my this channel, and you can visit very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel online at this basic channel. This channel very helpful for you and advanced. You can learn about computer. Okay, and visit one by one my. You can see here my videos available. So any question you can comment me, and you maybe like. So this is very good for you, and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video. So first understand about our Microsoft company. You are already know about Microsoft or Bill Gates. Okay, and second side you can see Red Hat Linux operating system, Linux tools. Okay, so same operating system, two company very important and very big company, and hardware same condition, 64-bit operating 64-bit CPU, RAM, hard disk, motherboard, same as it is. Don't any change. Hardware is same condition for both side, but understand about 64-bit and 32-bit. Both company created but 32-bit operating system and 64-bit 64-bit Linux 64-bit operating system create. Okay, so you can see here in this my first time you can see Windows operating system. In first point is Windows operating system you purchase. Okay, so this is I am showing RS 6500. This is Indian rupees, Indian currency. So without purchase you cannot start your Microsoft operating system. This is a very important for understand about the Microsoft operating system. You are using any operating system, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. It is a one type of not free, because you want first purchase and one type of license key. Without license key not active your operating system, and that is the main point of some feature not start in your Microsoft operating system. You can see here this is a Windows operating system, one type of a very yeah, different type of Microsoft company give packages, and Windows 10 you are purchase, so without purchase you cannot start your operating system, because this is a very very uh, illegal one type of Microsoft term and condition sometime companies. Okay, but second side you can see Linux operating system purchase not need. This is a free operating system, not purchase, not need, give, not pay to company. Okay, Linux operating system, because this is a one type of open very freely, no pay need, and this is an very good of point Red Hat Linux. Second is open Windows operating system closed source. Closed source means operating system Windows 7 you not change anything option. Change only allow Microsoft Windows operating system engineer, OS creator and OS developer, but you cannot change and not change anything future in your operating system. Okay, you can see here, and so you start right click, and we want to change something, new option add. So this is you cannot change in your operating system. You not enter different type of script, but Linux open system open source programming code. Okay, so open source means programming code is one type of you can. So this is one type of you can change your operating system, one type of different type of enter your option. Just like example, I'm give right click and change enter my custom type of my options, and you can see in Microsoft Office operating system Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. Inside you can see right click, refresh, and different type of fix all of your option. But Linux operating system inside you can change something new type, add your options. You are engineer, and you are completely you have knowledge for Linux operating system, so you can change something programming code, and you customize your your through your planning through. So Linux is allowed to change operating system on top of Linux OS programming code. Okay, so this is a very good, and one type of a different type of you can change program your operating system. You can change operating system, customize. You enter your command technology, you enter command your scripting file, so you can change different type of option, and in a control line system. Okay, so third is OS operating DOS and GUI command prompt PowerShell. Microsoft Microsoft Windows operating systems, any operating system using you can command prompt. So first operating system is DOS command and the graphical user interface after coming here. But first time coming OS DOS command. Okay, DOS command system only command prompt system, not you can see here not mouse point. Not right click and open folder, that type not facilities available in old generation time in 1985 to start, and one by one create a different type of engineer, programming engineer, hardware engineer, software engineer. So then after start GUI graphical user interface. Okay, so first is create a notepad, one type of system, Okay, so Windows operating system you are using, so command prompt and PowerShell one type of using command line system, command line technology. Okay, so OS DOS is a GUI and is same as it is, but not call command prompt, not to call PowerShell. It's called only terminal. So terminal is one type of very important for Red Hat Linux because most of the important features using terminal is you can enter your command prompt and command line system through. You generate command, you can start your command through and create a new type of scripting file programming, and you can any process start, checking process start, different type. Okay, so this is one type of OS DOS command, and GUI terminal is one type of different type of you can facilities and check up here. One type of directory list check, uh, lot of available in a terminal system. I will discuss in one by one, but this is a very important terminal system because this is depend on your knowledge and depend on your system through Red Hat Linux okay system. So this is the OS DOS and GUI command. You can see Microsoft operating system, and you can see Red Hat Linux OS DOS and GUI terminal. You can see here. Okay. Fourth point is a file exe support software. Microsoft any operating system you are support is only exe file .exe. So you can see Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. You are using a VLC player. You are using Photoshop. You are using Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. Any software you download from internet through, and you are installing Microsoft OS operating system. So it is only .exe files support only .exe, not any other. So .exe is one type of extension, one type of specific file to install your software. You right click and install, either you double click and install your software in your Microsoft operating system. But what is different in Linux, and how you what is Linux is support? So Linux not support Linux operating system. Any operating system not support exe file. This is RPM package support software. Okay, RPM package. You are using a Red Hat 7, and you are Red Hat 5, 6, 7, any operating system you are using. But RPM package is only supporting Red Hat Linux only. Okay, not exe. I will show you in one by one how to installation package RPM package, how you start RPM package, and how many type of Linux operating system inside you are using software. I will show you in Red Hat Linux inside Microsoft same as it is RPM package, how support software. Okay, so this is one type of different files software available in internet, and RPM package you can support through your software. Okay, so this is RPM package is one type of you can see support only Red Hat Linux type of software. Okay, so you are using exe type software in Red Hat Linux 7, any or Red Hat Linux, so not you can install because it is not the file support. It is only support RPM package only. Okay, 5 is not custom change. Okay, because this is a closed source. Okay, closed source operating system. Closed source means you cannot changing any software. So closed source means you can you cannot change your enter your not any enter your new facilities, new feature you cannot, because you are limitation, you are limited, user limited, any you are using server, any using, because these take decision only Microsoft operating system developer, Microsoft company operating system engineer developer only. But Red Hat Linux inside you can custom change, you can remove you not like right click and you want to create new type of refresh button, enter here, you can enter different type of system in change your inside new type of enter file. You can enter your custom command system, and you can enter different type of systematic feature in Red Hat Linux 7, 8, 6, 5, any Linux operating system, because this is an open source system. Open source means you can change, you can customize your through your operating system, and this is a very helpful for and very good. And this reason operating system Red Hat Linux very popular in world. Okay, so 6 is active OS. Active OS means, what is the active OS? Very important this point. You are purchase Windows 7, you are purchase Windows 8, either you are purchase Windows 8, or either Windows 10 you are using. So you must active operating system, and first you want to need important is license key. So how you active OS? Because this is a two-step available in Windows 10 active OS. First you want you purchase your license. You want to purchase first. You want to first purchase operating system. In India country, 6,500 rate in Windows 7 old OS, but Windows 10 is very costly, and without activation, some feature you cannot access, some feature not you can start, and some facilities always not completely you can use. Okay, because you are not active your Windows in Windows operating system. Okay, and this is a fact of a very badly on type of some user, because not some without activation not start, and without the system some facilities just like some important I'm already told you in Windows 10 inside one type of you can see in settings inside some activation give a message. Without activation you cannot access these settings, and you cannot change settings. Okay, so it is one type of limitation. Without activation you cannot start. But Red Hat Linux not activate OS not need activation system, because this is a license version, already open source licensed system, and only two step only in Red Hat Linux, and not need purchase, not pay. This is a very important. This is a very free, and not any services block, but some features, some package download from internet, and some account create only two step inside. Okay, so you can activate everything, all of features. This is a very good of feature available in Red Hat Linux 7. Okay, so you can use here license key. This is a very important for license key about Microsoft any operating system. So Windows Vista, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. Microsoft company created desktop technology inside every computer. You are just like I'm give example. You are using 10 computer, and 10 computer inside you want install Windows 10. So every computer you must purchase Microsoft. You want to purchase first Microsoft license key, and without license you cannot activate your uh, operating system, not activate your completely start your operating system. So this is a very costly, and some feature not available without your purchase and not enter license key. And this license key sometime uh, running, but after expiry date available in license key, and again you want first purchase license key. So you want first license key is one type of different type of numbers, and you are first time purchase your Windows operating system any side any your in a computer shop, any you are purchase online through Microsoft. So first you want to first pay, and you are pay, and then that time give Microsoft license key for your operating system activation. And this is system very different type of because you are using any operating system, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 1, Windows 10. You must purchase and enter must in operating system license key. Without license key you cannot start full of access, and sometime some applications, some files, some service stop this license key reason. So every computer you must purchase first. Okay, so this is a one type of different type of license key available for different operating system, just like I'm give you Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 1, Windows 10. Inside different type edition, just like home base, home premium, and Microsoft Pro, Microsoft Windows 7 Ultimate, and different type edition available in a different activation license key. Okay, so this is a license key available in Windows operating system, and no license key need. Okay, because this is a license key not need for operating system. You are when I am install Windows Redhat Linux operating system, in that time 2 3 process very simple is very good for Redhat Linux related important. Okay, 2 3 step inside license automatically accept, and you can active your operating system. Okay, user friendly operating system, yes, because this is a very simple, and any user coming inside the Microsoft system inside you can look at here folder, you can look at say my computer icon, and different control panel, designing. And this is a very user friendly this operating system, you can using easily and directly using system, this user friendly system operating system. And this is you can power on your computer, go login, and you can start your my computer, click on my computer icon. So it is one of user friendly operating system, and this reason but this is a Windows operating system, but Red Hat Linux inside a user friendly OS, but not more. Okay, advanced, this is advanced technology, and this reason not more this user friendly, because Microsoft operating system hack most of the 95%, but Red Hat Linux maybe 35% hack, because user friendly but not more, because important every important work in a terminal. Okay, command, just like you can see here, see a command prompt same as it is working in the Red Hat Linux terminal. Okay, so you can see here user friendly in Red Hat 7 Pro. Okay, and a lot of uh, Red Hat operating system engineer add new tools of new software enter new system tools, you can control your operating system Red Hat Linux. Okay, and not more. Okay, because this is one type of user friendly, and this is advanced system. Okay, 9 is a Windows 10. You can see this is a latest technology. Okay, so friend, you can see here Windows 10 is a latest technology in Microsoft company. So Microsoft is you can see here Microsoft company inside operating system Windows 10, and Windows 10 is the latest technology of Microsoft company. Okay, and you can see here this is a Microsoft related every feature available in Windows 10, and this is the latest technology introduced Microsoft company Windows 10, and maybe future in future new operating system make this by Microsoft operating system. But same it is Microsoft 10 launch Microsoft operating system by Microsoft Windows 10, and the same as it is Redhat Linux launch a new in Windows 10 competition. Red Hat 8.0 new technology means a new operating system. Okay, so I will show you in a Red Hat 8.0 how to using and how many type of change. But in this my course I'm showing you Red Hat 7 is good of and user friendly one type of you can feature type. So this is a Red Hat 8.0 is can change. Okay, Red Hat 8.09 I will see one by one. Okay, so this is the new type of latest technology by Red Hat company through. Okay, so you can see here same as it is in server technology. Windows launch in this time Windows Server 2019 operating system. Okay, this is server technology. Server technology, server operating system, not a desktop, not a private type of server operating system different, and you are using a private your computer, desktop, laptop. It is a local operating system. Other okay, two part of create any operating system. You can see first is a server, second is a local system. Okay, so you can see this is a Windows operating system server 2019 new server operating system launch, and same as it is Red Hat Linux launch Red Hat 8.0 server. Okay, you can see here, and maybe you can see next time and 8.0 9.0. Okay, I will show you one by one, and you can see it is a desktop connection, and you can see this is server technology, and very important for this is a server technology. So what is the difference between these system in competition? You can see here Red Hat Linux is a free technology, free operating system. Second is open source, you can change your customized system. You can something problem for software installation RPM package, but I will show you easily technology, not activation, not need license key, and you can very easily to if run in command system in your customize your program, your scripting system you can use in Red Hat Linux. But Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10 you can you want to connect in Red Hat Linux, so you can enter some software packages. Okay, after you can communicate with Windows operating system and Microsoft Red Hat Linux, same as it is you can see here. So this is a Windows operating system source, is the OS DOS GUI or command prompt system you can see here. Same it is no custom change in a Microsoft system. You must activate operating system license. You want to first purchase your operating system. This is user friendly, but you can see here Windows 10 using Windows 7, Windows 1, some activate Windows problem. Okay, so next time I will show you in Windows and versus Linux operating system. This is a very important to understand about next video. More very knowledgeable and important type of using very good for knowledge your you know mind. So you want more information, you want more so this reason I create a next video Windows versus Linux operating system Red Hat Linux. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Next time I will show you in one by one. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Click on subscribe button, click on like button, click on bell icon for new notification. Miss you add, so this reason you must click on bell icon, either you miss my new video. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day.